Hello everyone, welcome to Career Clue. In this video, we are breaking down the main departments in a company and what they actually do. Understanding these roles isn't just theory, it helps you see how the company functions, where you fit in, and how to prepare for interviews confidently. Let's explore each department step by step so you can see exactly how they work in real operations. HR, Human Resource. The HR department manages everything related to employees. They handle hiring, onboarding, training, employee welfare, and performance management. For example, if a company needs 5 new employees, HR posts the job, screens candidates, and ensures smooth onboarding. HR keeps the workforce organized and motivated. Without them, no company can function efficiently. Finance or accounts. The finance team manages the company's money. They handle budgets, payroll, expenses, invoices, and audits. For instance, finance ensures salaries are paid on time and checks that all supplier payments match invoices. This department keeps the business financially healthy and compliant with regulations. Operations or production. Operations or production focuses on the day to day workflow and delivering the company's products or services. They plan schedules, monitor processes, and ensure everything runs smoothly. For example, in a manufacturing company, operations ensures raw materials arrive on time and production targets are met. Sales and marketing. Sales and marketing drive the company's revenue and visibility. Marketing promotes products, runs campaigns, and builds the brand. Sales interacts with customers, closes deals, and brings in orders. For example, marketing may launch a new social media campaign while sales follow up with potential clients to secure purchases. IT or technology. The IT or technology department supports the company's systems, software, and digital infrastructure. They ensure computers, servers, and networks are secure and functioning. For example, IT may install new software for employees or fix system issues that could halt operations. Admin or support. The admin team handles office management, logistics, and general support. They ensure facilities are maintained, supplies are stocked, and internal processes run smoothly. For instance, admin coordinates meetings, manages office resources, and supports other departments when needed. Key takeaways. Every department is interconnected. Success in one area depends on another. Knowing what each department does helps you choose a career path, answer interview questions confidently, and perform better at work. Skills differ per department. HR needs communication, finance needs analytical skills, operations needs planning, sales and marketing needs persuasion, IT needs tech expertise, admin needs organization. That's a clear look at the main departments in a company. Understanding these roles helps you navigate your career, work effectively, and impress interviewers with practical knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Career Clue for more practical career guidance and tips. Stay curious, stay learning, and see you in the next video.